Introduction to Mindfulness. Embark on a journey to inner peace with mindfulness. It's not just meditation, it's a way of life. Transform your perspective, enhance your focus. Let's explore the art of being in the present. With mindfulness, unchain your thoughts. Discover tranquility amidst chaos. Embrace positivity, release stress. Experience life without the burden of the past or anxiety of the future. Mindfulness is the key to contentment. Join us today. Begin a journey of self-discovery. Experience mindfulness, experience life. Let's talk about mindfulness, the practice of being fully present in the moment. It's a state of active, open attention on the present, where you observe your thoughts without judgment. But why is mindfulness important? It helps you live in harmony with yourself and those around you, making your life more fulfilling. It allows you to enjoy life's pleasures as they occur and become fully engaged in activities. Mindfulness isn't just about improving your personal life. It can also have significant impacts in your professional world, helping you manage stress, increase productivity, and nurture creativity. So how do you practice mindfulness? Start by observing your breath. Pay attention to it as it goes in and out. Don't try to change it, just notice it. This is the beginning of mindfulness. Next, notice your body. Are you sitting, standing, walking? How does your body feel? Again, don't try to change anything. Just observe what is happening right now, in the present moment. Then, move on to observing your thoughts. What are you thinking right now? Don't judge these thoughts or try to push them away. Just acknowledge them. This is mindfulness. It's okay if your mind wanders away from these observations. That's normal. When you notice it happening, gently bring your focus back to your breath, body, or thoughts. Mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. It takes practice, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Eventually, mindfulness will become a way of life, enhancing every moment. Remember, mindfulness isn't about achieving a perfect state of calm. It's about accepting the present moment as it is. Embrace the here and now with mindfulness and experience the joy of living fully.